Hey you guys are gonna chill here with me today, huh? You guys wanna chill here with me today? Yeah? Hey you guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a fall decor home haul. Fall decor home haul. Fall home decor haul. Whatever, one of those, you guys get it. Every year I do one of these fall home decor hauls. Yes, there you go. And this year there was no exception, so I had to do another one. I believe this is my third fall home decor haul video. I love shopping at this time of the year because everything that comes up for the holidays, I'm like a big holiday type of person. I love. So normally when I shop for my home, I shop for stuff that I can use throughout the entire holiday season. Meaning now that September is around the corner, I do the whole, I like the whole harvest and fall stuff as well. I make it work for my Halloween stuff. I make it work for my Thanksgiving and Christmas. So whatever pieces you see, I make it work so I don't have to keep taking everything out. I keep a lot of the pieces and then just add a little bit more pieces throughout the season, if that makes any sense. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm sorry if you guys hear noises. Those are my dogs. They are here right now. And yeah, make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you haven't already. I do also upload beauty videos if you are interested. And I don't like super long intros, so let's just get started. So I'm gonna start with the stores that I bought the least from. I'm gonna start with Dollar Tree, which I found these cute little squirrels. I hope you guys can see them. They are a pair. They're salt and pepper shakers, and I found them at the Dollar Tree store, and I think they're so cute. They also have owls in pairs as well, but I liked the squirrels better. I don't think that I'm gonna keep them this color. They're brown. They're super cute though, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them. I may change the color on them. Who knows? I don't even know what I'm gonna do with them, but I'm gonna make them work. I'll probably wait closer to Christmas to put them out, or maybe Thanksgiving. Yeah, I don't know. They're super cute though for $1. The next store I went to was Walmart, and I found this super cute wooden sign that says blessed. Holding it this way so you guys can read it, but it's this way. It's white with a little bit of gold brushed on it, and this was $4.98. This year Walmart has a lot of pretty stuff. The only thing that it's more of the traditional colors. So if your home decor is more traditional, then Walmart has a lot of cute stuff, and it's very affordable. Like I said, this was only $4.98, and I think it's so cute. These signs usually go for more if you buy them somewhere else. So yes, they also have a thankful one in white, and they also have them both in brown. All right, so now let's move on to Marshall's. At Marshall's, I found this cute dish. I hope you guys can see it. I know it's super bright in here, but if I don't turn the lights on, it's dark. Anyways, it has nothing to do with fall or the harvest season. This is more like Easter. It's just a bunch of little carrots and bunny ears at the bottom. But it's so super cute. I couldn't leave it, and it was like, I don't know, maybe $2 or $1 that I found it. I'm sorry, I did take all the stickers out, so I have no idea. But I know it was like on clearance, probably 80% off. So I picked this up, and two more items also from Marshall's that have nothing to do with fall, but I just wanted to show you guys because they are available right now. This is the Ray Dunn collection. This cup that says forever, and it has the rings on it right there. And then this sign that says more love, more laughter. This is by Quill to Paper, also in Marshall's. I want to say I got this for also $2. All right, so the next store I'm jumping into is Hobby Lobby, and I picked this sign up that says open, and if you turn it around, it says close, and it says it was $24.99, but I am sure it was 40 or 50% off. Super cute. I love it. I think I'm gonna put this in the kitchen, so everybody knows after the kitchen is cleaned, at the end of the night and they see clothes, guess what? You can only get water and get out of my kitchen. Yeah, they're gonna love this. Yeah, super cute. I love it. Like I said, it says $24.99, but they always have 40% off. I'm not sure if this time it was a 50% off when I got it, but yeah, super cute. The next piece I picked up at Hobby Lobby was this galvanized tray, which was $19.99, but again, it was either 40 or 50% off. I'm not always sure because I go to that store like a lot, and even if it's just to look, but everything's either 40 or 50% off. So yeah, this is probably 40% off. But yeah, it's super cute. I fell in love with it. And I have like this tray obsession, you guys. So I have way too many trays and I keep buying trays. I have more trays to show you. You'll see. All right, let's move on to Michael's. I believe I bought this at Michael's, and I am so sorry. I should have kept receipts and I should have kept the prices on them. I think this was Michael's because I was there 3 days ago and I could have sworn I saw this. And it hasn't been that long that I bought these. I want to say that I bought all this stuff within the past 2 weeks. So yes, it's so cute. It's big and I love it. It's white. I want to use it on my kitchen area. You'll see when I style everything, I'll show you. So the next item is this cute bush that I picked up at Michael's. And it has orange and yellow on it. I'm gonna make this work for my fall decor. This was 80% off because it's from the summer collection, Ashland, the brand. And it was like $2 or $3 because it was $12.99 originally, and I got it for like 80% off. The next item I picked up at Michael's was this lantern, which was also 80% off, and I got it for $6. Super cute. It's all black. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it in the black. I may change it, or I may use it in black for now and then eventually change it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. We'll see. But I mean, $6. I was like, yes, thank you. And the last item I got at Michael's was this cute crate. It's so cute. I love the gold detail on the handles, and it's very well made. I also paid $6 for this. It was 80% off. Okay, so finally, the last store that I have is from Homegoods, and I have quite a few things here from Homegoods, and I am sorry if this feels a little rushed. I just have a lot of stuff here right now, and the rest of the stuff, if you have any questions, just let me know. Like I said, these are things that I bought within the last 2 weeks, so they should still be available in stores, and if not identical things, then similar things to what I've gotten. Okay, so Homegoods. The first thing I'm gonna show you is this glass. This was, I want to say $5.99, and I want to use it obviously on top of a dish and put a pumpkin inside of it, and I'm going to use this in the kitchen. So I needed a small one, and this one is perfect. And since I'm holding this, I also picked this up from Quilt to Paper, also from Homegoods, and this was $4.99. It's super cute. It says fresh eggs on it, white and gray. I love it. I fell in love with it when I saw it. I have no idea where I'm going to put it, but like you guys already know, well, if you're new, then you don't know, but I do have chickens. They're still pretty young, so they're still not giving me eggs. I should start seeing eggs probably in November or October, so we'll see. And yeah, fresh eggs, so yay. Okay, next here I have these Luxe kitchen towels. These are oversized kitchen towels. They're very, very luxurious feeling. They're nice and thick, and they're just nice. They're 100% cotton, and they were $6.99, and it's a 3-pack. So it's 3 super nice kitchen towels, and it's just white and gray. Okay, so still within the kitchen stuff, I picked up these 2 jars, these 2 jarras. They're so cute. I mean, I couldn't leave them, obviously. This one says water and milk, right? Yes, water and milk. At first I was just gonna take milk because you know it's a good size, and then I saw water and I was like, oh, I can't leave water. But I knew that I had the other one, so I was like, because there's a third one, and I knew I had the other one, so I was like, okay, girl, too many. So anyways, these are super cute. These are by Grace's Teaware. The one that says milk was $4.99 and water was $6.99. I mean, the price is awesome. They're super cute, good quality, and I love them. So on this trip, I also picked up some more of Rae Dunn cups because I had none other than now that I do. But I had none. I keep buying them as gifts, but I never bought any for myself, and I love them. I think they are so cute. Yeah, so I got coffee. Can you guys see that? Coffee and early bird. Super cute. These were singles, so these were $5.99 each. And I have another set. Obviously also by Rae Dunn. This is his and hers, and this was $9.99. So if you buy them in this set, they're each $1 less, so you end up paying less if you find these sets. I saw a few. Some said Papa Bear, Mama Bear. I mean, they're so cute. Okay, so finally for actual fall stuff, I have this cute pumpkin that says Hello Fall. It's like a gray green shade with a gold stump. And the words are in gold, a nice cursive, and this was $5.99. Super cute. I love it. I also grabbed this one, which is $4.99. It's a soft pink with a cute little twirly stump. I fell in love with it, so I couldn't leave it. Okay, so next I have this super cute storage basket. I fell in love with it. I thought it was so cute. It's a good size to put it on the floor and put either a pillow or a blanket or something in here, or a pillow and a blanket. This was $14.99. I mean, come on, you guys. This is so cute, and it has cute little handles. All right, a little while ago I told you that I had more trays to show you because I do have kind of an obsession. So here are the trays. And these are all from Homegoods. I got this one, which is super cute. This one was on clearance, originally $12.99, and I got it for $10, and it's from Coastal Homes. And this is what it looks like. It's a nice size tray. It's round, and then it has this little accent here, which I thought was super cute. I love it. And here's another round tray, which is very similar to that one, except this one has handles on it. And this one, it's weird because it did cost less than that one. I paid $7.50 for it, but it's because it's missing a little nail here, or a screw. Yeah, it's a screw, not a nail. It's missing a screw here, so I asked them if they can do anything for me, and they only took 50 cents off because it was $7.99 originally. And I got it for $7.50. Again, it's a white round tray. This one has handles. And the last tray that I have here for today is this one, which, oh my God, I fell in love with it. It has chicken wire around it, the cute little handles. It's in gray. The wood is in gray. I paid $7.99 for this. Super pretty. I love it. It's by RGI Home. And I believe the other two trays are also by RGI Home. So cute. Now that we're done with the trays, I have two throws to show you. They were also really good price, so I was like, I need them. Well, I needed throws anyway because I also have a throw obsession. Anyway, yeah, I got two this time. I didn't get any more because I still have quite a few all over the place. Yeah, so I picked this one up. It's so pretty. It's so luxurious. It just feels so good. It's by Docofil, yes. White label throw. It's a 60% cotton, 40% acrylic, 51 by 67. That's the size of it, and it's super pretty. Oh, it feels so good. And I got this on clearance for $18. It was $24.99. I got it for 18 bucks, which I couldn't leave it. I said, what? I need that baby in my house. Okay, the next one is this one. It's by Celebrity Home. This one is a plush throw, 50 by 60. And this one was $16.99 by Celebrity Home. This is what it looks like. It's all white, and then it has tassels on the bottom, which is what sold me on it. And actually what sold me on it was a $16.99. What am I kidding? So yeah, it's super soft and plush, and it just feels so good. So yeah, these are my two throws. Very pretty at Homegoods. Okay, so we are almost done. Here we have this buffalo check pillow. It was a set. Here's the other one. And I saw them and I fell in love with it. Like, it's so super cute. It's so pretty. It's by Savannah Farms. Obviously decorative pillows. And like I said, they were a pair, and they're 26 by 26, the size of it. And I got them for $29.99, which I think it's a steal. Like, these pillows are huge. And I'm sure you guys have noticed that these buffalo check prints are like all the rage right now. And I saw these in this color and I love two of them. They're huge, they're gorgeous, they're plush. I love them. And the last item is also a pillow. This is more of a lumber type of pillow. Also obviously buffalo check, the same color, but it's by a different company. This one is by Sheffield Home, and this was $16.99. I couldn't leave it. It's perfect to pair with this one when I put it in the living room. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I style all these things in a different video. I am waiting for September at least to get here. I don't know if I'm gonna do it the first week of September or more towards the middle of September. We shall see. But I will put everything together, and if you guys want to see how I style and decorate my home for the fall, let me know down below and I will do so. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this fall home decor. Actually, I have one more thing to show you guys. Really has nothing to do with fall, but it was a good deal, so let me show you guys. So this is the last item, you guys. I know it has nothing to do with fall, but it's a super good deal. I found this at Home Depot. It's by the brand Hampton Bay. It's this cute bistro set. The plants and the pillows do not come with it. It's just a table and the two chairs. But it's super sturdy. It's really good quality, and it's on sale actually for $64. And I was like, what? I believe the original price is $129 or $129.99. I'm not 100% sure, but it's $64 right now at Home Depot. If you need a cute bistro set, then there you go. Yes. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you're subscribed to my channel, follow my other social medias, and watch my previous videos. Again, I also do beauty videos if you are interested in those. Until next time, you guys. Mwah, hugs and kisses. Bye.